Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Wagi ang Czechia kontra sa South Korea 76-63. Tinalo naman ng Mali ang Venezuela 88-66. Panalo naman ng Senegal kontra sa Brazil 69-59. Pinataob naman ng Great Britain ang Lebanon 77-72. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of August 21, 2024. Sa Group A, Czechia 2 win 0 loss 4 points. Mali 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Valenzuela 1 win 1 loss 3 points. South Korea 0 win 2 losses 2 points. Sa Group B, Montenegro 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Mexico 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Mozambique 0 win 1 loss 1 point. New Zealand 0 win 1 loss 1 point. Sa Group C, Senegal 2 win 0 loss 4 points. Hungary 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Brazil 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Philippines 0 win 2 losses 2 points. Sa Group D naman, Rwanda 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Argentina 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Great Britain 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Lebanon 0 win 2 losses 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang mga laro ngayong August 22, 2024. Maglalaban ang Argentina at Rwanda alas 2 ng madaling araw Philippine time. Mozambique kontra sa Montenegro alas 7:30 ng umaga. New Zealand kontra sa Mexico alas 10:30 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Senegal at Gilas Women's Pilipinas alas 5 ng hapon Philippine time. Brazil kontra sa Hungary alas 8 ng gabi. Argentina kontra sa Lebanon alas 11 ng gabi Philippine time. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.